Okay, welcome back to Robertson Co. Oh, that's a good coffee. When I say welcome back, it's quite dark in here. Let's get the light on. When I say welcome back, this is actually the first time filming in this location. The new setup. I just checked the Robertson Co channel analytics. Last time we uploaded we're live streaming pretty much every day until July the 1st, and then we've taken a break from creating content, haven't taken a break from working. In the summer we moved to the new workshop, we moved workshops, and that was just, it still is kind of chaos, so trying to work and move at the same time. But we need to get back into content creation. I'm gonna have to sort out the camera angles and the lighting still, but we need to get cracking. Yeah, I checked the channel analytics, and things are, even though we haven't created any videos for a good few weeks, the channel looks like it's growing. So hello to all the new subscribers. What we need to do is we actually need to finish the move and tidying up, but it's, when did we move? July. So let's back up a bit. At the beginning of the year, we had a lease ending on the last place in July. We took a decision at the start of the year, if things are looking a little, the economy here in the UK is looking a little bit tricky, and we're busy every day, but the volume of orders is definitely not what it was, certainly in the previous few years. So we was thinking, if things don't pick up, we need to make some cutbacks. If things don't look like they're going to pick up, we need to make some cutbacks. So the decision to end the lease and move was purely financial, and hopefully it's temporary, and one day things will pick up. But yeah, I always remember my first boss in the jewelry trade said, we're in the luxury goods, we're a luxury goods business, and when it comes to downturns and recessions, we're the first in and the last out. We have the longest recessions because people, a typical example, people cut back on luxuries first, and those habits are often the last thing they pick back up. So an example, a random example would be someone's bills have gone up, they need to cut back. That fancy coffee that they enjoy on the way to work, they can easily cut that back, but then the coffee shop starts to, you know, if a lot of people cut back on their fancy coffees in the morning, the coffee shop, the person in the coffee shop who was their luxury was a big night out on payday on Friday. They needed a new dress, new shoes, a new frock and some jewelry for their big night out, and they've got to cut back on that. And the dominoes fall. It takes a long time for all the dominoes to fall, but the dominoes begin to fall, and yeah, jewelry's not a necessity right now for a lot of people. And that's not to say there aren't some people with a lot of money. There are, but they don't make up. The handful of people with loads of money don't make up for the masses that are struggling to buy our jewelry. So yeah, with this for us is very much going to be a safe harbour in an economic storm. We're lucky to have this place. The lighting's not great. The space is a lot smaller than we were in before, so that's why there's racking here, and we're sort of in racking here. Yeah, we've downsized, and we'll probably be here for, I want to say it's temporary, but it's probably going to be months, not weeks. It's not days or weeks. This is a months. But yeah, moved a couple of months ago. This was all tidy, but as you can see, it's messy again. There's stuff everywhere. Well, when I say stuff, stock, we're in the middle of constructing. There's rings, T-bars, there's tools absolutely everywhere. Luckily we had all this racking in here already, and there's a lot of space for the tools, but everything's got a new home, and I'm not quite sure where that home is. But we need to create content. The internet in here, we're in an outbuilding. The internet is in the main building. We didn't actually have internet in here for the first week or so. I had to get, I'm not sure what you'd call it, a booster, an extender for the internet. And now we've got internet, but downloads are fine, uploads not so good. So I'm not sure if we'll be able to live stream in here. We'll test it out and find out. Live stream is so much easier for creating content. The editing takes longer than the filming, but I think for the next few weeks and months there's going to be a series of short videos, just jewelry making. It's like it's autumn, winter. At the time we're filming this, it's very nearly October, so there's a slight lull before the Black Friday, Christmas kick off, but we need stock. We always need stock. We're constantly running out of stuff, so I think we can make some short videos over the next few weeks, showcasing that. I've also got tools. It'd be very easy to make some videos about the tools, and people seem to like those. Funny enough, people seem to like the AI content, which is, I didn't think they would, but that's the most popular thing. Also, I need to sort out lighting, camera angles. There's a lot to figure out, but we're back in our new setup, so stay tuned for more.